Okay, we got a lot of rain coming through the state today, and Pennsylvania, New Jersey, Delaware, everybody's getting rained on, even New York. Let's move this ahead a little at a time here. Let's try a different way. Okay, so there it moves through. This is about 3 o'clock this afternoon. You can still see there's a little bit of a mix up here in New York, but everybody else, it's all rain at this point in time. Let's see, we move this ahead a little bit more here. Okay, as you can start to see, this takes you to around 8 o'clock this evening. There is some heavier showers in Jersey, Delaware, and eastern Pennsylvania here. And you still got a mix going on up here, so there might be a little bit of slippery conditions up here in New York here. We move this a little bit further ahead, and you'll begin to see the change. Okay, this is around midnight, 1 o'clock tonight. The heavier rains are now moving into North Jersey up to the Poconos and the changeovers up here off the lakes, higher elevations and out that way, even down here in West Virginia, it's changed over. It's still snowing up here in New York, so they're going to get an accumulation. This takes you to about 3, 4 o'clock in the morning. Snow squalls are now picking up in the west here. Again, in the last several days, I've told everybody is that the lakes are not frozen. The lake waters are warm. We have strong winds coming around, and we have longer sunshine during the day. So these squalls on Sunday will begin to reach further east as the sun kind of bubbles them up. Even though the temperatures will be above freezing, there'll still be snow squalls for the wet snow, but snow squalls. And then this takes you to around 6, 7 o'clock in the morning. You can see them really lining up and getting very heavy out this way. And even up in the Poconos, you have some decent squalls going on around noontime tomorrow. And then, unfortunately, you get over to Jersey, and it's just a little too warm for these to hang on over here. So they might turn to some snow showers out that way. But as we get towards the evening hours, this is around 6 o'clock. Remember, and it's daylight savings time, so we're not going to get dark now until around 7 or so. So they're bubbled up to their maximums here, and you can see some of them are reaching down here south of Allentown, down the Reading, Quakertown, out that way. They're reaching there, and I wouldn't doubt if they're even down here towards Lancaster and stuff. Some flurries, you'll see them. They'll come in. As you can see here, at this point in time, this is around 8 o'clock in the evening, Sunday night, 7, 8 o'clock. Then snow showers have reached Trenton into North Jersey now. They're getting some snow showers and going on. Nothing major, nothing to panic about. But here you go. I mean, this is so strong that they're actually reaching the coast up here in central New Jersey, which is quite unusual. So again, I think everybody can see some flurries out of this thing, and then it moves away as you get towards 5, 6 o'clock in the morning. Okay, so this is based on the NAM, which I think is pretty close. This is total accumulations by Tuesday morning. Um, and again, you can see really off the lakes up here, you get 6+ inches of snow. Even the higher elevations, Laurel Highlands, you can get 6 inches plus in some of the higher areas. Otherwise, 2 to 3 inches through here. Anywhere in these blue areas is 2 inches or so, 3 inches. Um, Up here in the Poconos, again, this is the high elevations of the Poconos. You can get an inch to two, and even some high spots. As you can see, there's some higher elevations there. And anything down in here, I'm going to say anything in Jersey, North Jersey, North, Central New Jersey, and North all the way down here to the outskirts of Philadelphia, down through here. It doesn't show any accumulation, but you'll see flurries in the air. You'll see at one point, you'll say, "Ooh, it looks like it's going to come down," but it'll just be a quick burst of a little bit of snow. Again, in North Jersey, you could have a little bit of rain early on before it changes over. As we head up into New York here, I got some people up here, 2 to 3, 4 inches at most up here. Up here north of Syracuse and Utica up this way, you're talking 6 inches plus, maybe a foot in some areas up here. So that's kind of what's going on with that. Okay, so there's your forecast. And I guess I will update this thing on a Monday. And remember last month, I was telling everybody that we're going to get a snowstorm around St. Patrick's Day. Well, I'm off by a couple days. And Monday's forecast will go in big detail on why I think there's a coastal storm. But unfortunately for you people on the I-95 corridor, it's going to be to your west. But I think there's going to be a fairly decent coastal snowstorm. I'm still sticking with it. I know it's been over a month. I've been telling everybody it was going to get cold, and I'm off a few days, but it's going. I'm pretty sure it's going to happen now. I back then I just had a little information, but now a lot of the guidance, almost most of the guidance shows temperatures will be down in the teens in northern and western PA. Not this week, but the following week, and uh, that there's an excellent chance that there's going to be a snow, which would be west of the I-95 corridor. All right, take care. Don't forget to put your clocks ahead tonight. Okay, take it easy.